Good morning, student. This is Vikas Sir. Today I am discussing about a part 4th of the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. This is a part 4 edition of a topic Reflection of Light. Image formed by spherical mirror. On that one, first we study some important note point, which is very important for the particular chapter also. Lens formula. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F, where V, U and F already you know very well. F is the focal image, U is the distance of the object from the pole, and V is the distance of the image from the pole. Okay? After that, another important concept, all the distance measured to the right of origin along x-axis, it should be taken as positive, and left taken as negative. Okay. Then again, another important thing was power of lens. Without that one, you are not able to identify the amount of power should be required for seeing clear the particular image. So this is very important. P is equals to 1 by F, which can be measured by diopter. Diopter is a SI unit of power. Always take in convex lens. Convex lens positive, concave negative. Okay. And if anyone asking about the net power, what is net power? Net power or total power is equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dash and so on. Now, this is the complete description of the concave lens, convex lens, lens formula, mirror formula, magnification formula, refractive index, absolute refractive index, and focal center of curvature, focus, radius of curvature, focal length, concave, design of the concave mirror, design of the convex mirror, type of images formed on the mirror. Everything we have to discuss earlier also. Now we have to discuss on a reflection of light. The first one is a ray of light. What is this? What is the ray of light? It is nothing as the straight line path of light is called ray of light. Means that whatever the line should be you have to say that whatever the line should be moving on the straight path, means there is no deviation of the line. The line should or we say also there is no hindrance of the line. Whatever the direction, it should be initial till the direction is same at the final portion also. This phenomena goes under a ray of light. आप कह सकते हो कि जो लाइन एकदम स्ट्रेट चल रही है, जैसे शुरू में थी वैसे ही अंत तक है, that was called a ray of light. इसमें एक और कंसेप्ट आता है डिफ्रैक्शन. आपके कोर्स में नहीं है, लेकिन जानना आपके लिए अच्छा ही है. डिफ्रैक्शन क्या होता है? आपने रिफ्लेक्शन सुना होगा, रिफ्रैक्शन सुना होगा, बट व्हाट इज डिफ्रैक्शन? डिफ्रैक्शन इज नथिंग एज अ bending of light. ये कब होता है? When an opaque object, opaque object means that can't able to see. Opaque means object can't able to see. Okay. If an opaque object, when an opaque object become very small, result क्या करेगा ये? It bends a light around it is called diffraction. समझ में आया? अब basically lights, everybody says that light, when we switch on the bulb, result was that the light should be spreading whole of the classes or whole of the room. But how these things should be goes on, होता कैसे है, काम कैसे करती है, चलता कैसे है, तो ये चीज़ें डिस्कस करते हैं. Light also consists of particles called photons. Another important thing was that it shows two phenomena. First one is the particle, it shows the particle's nature, and second one is the wave nature. I will tell you, but not yet, because this should not be regarded in the class 10th, it should be regarding on the class 11 portions. So no need to discuss yet at a time. On earlier, when it should be required, we have to discuss it. Okay, shows both the phenomena, particle as well as wave nature. Now come to the point of laws of refraction. There is various laws should be formed according to the reflection of light. Laws of reflection. He says that suppose this is the normal, this is angle of incident, this is angle of reflection, B A, angle I, angle R, and R. When angle I is equals to angle R, shows that this shows that the phenomena of angle of incident, where angle I is angle I is incident ray, angle R is reflected ray. Okay. Now the next important point was beam. What is beam? It is nothing as the bundle of light. Suppose that कोई एक पॉइंट है जहाँ से बहुत सारी लाइट्स निकलती है. ये भी कह सकते हो कि जब हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं, when we switch on the lights, result was not a single photon of light should be generated from the particular bulb or particular mercury. It should be generated on the form of bundles of photon lights, and these bundle of lights or bundle of rays are called beam. A bundle of rays originating from the same source. This is called the parallel beam. Okay, beam should be also divided into various parts. Parallel beam. Second one is a parallel. Second one is a convergent. What is convergent beam? When a beam appears to meet at a point, for example this one and this one, this point is called convergent point, and this beam is called this beam is called convergent beam. Okay, then come to the next, divergent beam. In the same way, when a ray actually diverge at a single point, this one and this one, this is called divergent point, and this is called divergent beam. Okay. Then angle of incident ray and refracted ray, I know you know very well. The ray which fall on the reflecting ray, suppose as incident rays. What is incident ray? The ray which fall on reflecting surface. It's called incident ray. Reflected ray, the ray which get reflected back in the same medium. It should be mandatory on when you have using a reflection or reflected ray, the medium is always same, means the angle of incident and the angle of reflection is both are on the same medium. After, the next important point was the normal. What is that one? Normal is a perpendicular point where the incident and reflected removed. It is the perpendicular point where the incident and reflected point meet. That was called normal. Okay. Angle of reflection, you know very well. Angle of reflection, suppose that this is the angle, this is here. Angle of reflection, angle of incident this one, angle of reflection this one, angle I and angle R. These are called the angle of reflection and angle. What is image? If I am asking about what is image, what is that one, image? तो ध्यान दीजिएगा आप लोग, it is nothing as the point of convergence or divergence. On a surface or point, or you have to say that after reflection or refraction. Point where image formed by a surface. Okay, that was called image. So these are the little bit description about image. Rest of the thing we have to discuss on later also. Thank you, class.